Imagine you're looking for a convenient and affordable way to send money internationally. You've heard about Paysend, but you're not sure if it's a bank account. Have you ever wondered if Paysend is actually a bank account? Or is it something else entirely? Paysend has been making waves in the world of international money transfers. But before we dive into the main question, let's understand a bit more about what Paysend does. Paysend is a global money transfer service. It allows you to send money quickly and easily to over 125 countries. But is it a bank account? Let's break down the key differences between a bank account and a money transfer service. Key differences between a bank account and a money transfer service. Bank account. A bank account is a financial product offered by a bank. It allows you to deposit, withdraw, and transfer money. Banks are regulated entities and often provide additional services like loans, credit cards, and investment options. Money transfer service. A money transfer service is a company that specializes in facilitating the transfer of money from one place to another. They often charge fees for their services and may have limitations on the amount of money you can transfer. Is Paysend a bank account? Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Is Paysend a bank account? The short answer is no, Paysend is not a bank account. It's a money transfer service. While it offers a convenient way to send money internationally, it doesn't provide the full range of services that a traditional bank account offers. Benefits of using Paysend over a traditional bank account. Speed. Paysend often offers faster transfer times compared to traditional bank transfers. Cost. In many cases, Paysend's fees are lower than those charged by banks for international transfers. Convenience. The Paysend app and website make it easy to send money from your smartphone or computer. Global reach. Paysend has a wide network of partners, allowing you to send money to many countries around the world. Limitations of using Paysend. Limited services. Paysend doesn't offer the same range of financial services as a bank, such as loans, credit cards, and investment options. Currency exchange. While Paysend does offer currency exchange services, the exchange rates may not always be as competitive as those offered by banks. Regulatory oversight. Paysend may not be subject to the same level of regulatory oversight as a bank. So, is Paysend a bank account? No, it's not. But that doesn't mean it's not a valuable tool for sending money internationally. Paysend offers a convenient, affordable, and often faster way to transfer money compared to traditional bank methods. However, it's important to consider your specific needs and preferences before deciding if Paysend is the right choice for you. If you're looking for a reliable way to send money internationally, Paysend is definitely worth considering. Visit their website or download their app to learn more and get started. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, Paysend is a great option for international money transfers, but it's not a bank account. So, choose wisely based on your specific needs.